Choppers, for this breakfast guys, so I made eggs, and the only thing I put in the eggs was just garlic powder and no salt, no Maggi cube, just garlic powder. And then you have the avocado, and I fried it with an avocado oil. And then I have the avocado on it and the tomato, guys. So take a look at our plate, beautiful choppers. This is how our plate looks. This is how it looks. There you go, choppers. Enjoy this yummy delicious chop. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm actually expecting your comments, guys. Just tell me what you think. Love you all, choppers. Bye bye, choppers.